I'll show you how to add a payment method on Gumroad quickly and easily. Setting this up ensures you can receive payments from your sales without any hassle. Start by opening your browser and going to gumroad.com. Once you're on the homepage, click the login button at the top right corner. For the fastest login, select the Google sign-in option and choose the account linked to your Gumroad profile. If you're not logged into Google already, follow the prompts to enter your credentials. After logging in, head over to your account settings. You'll usually find this option in the dashboard menu or at the top of the page. Inside settings, look for the payments section. Here you'll see the different ways you can receive money, including linking a bank account or PayPal. For this guide, we'll focus on PayPal. Click on the PayPal option and follow the prompts to connect your account. You may need to log into PayPal and grant Gumroad permission to link the accounts. Once completed, your PayPal will be connected and ready to receive payments immediately. And that's it. You've successfully added a payment method to your Gumroad account, making it easy to handle transactions and receive funds from your customers. Make sure to keep your payment details updated to avoid any interruptions.